Hi there, to enable gesture and navigation on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we need to open settings and here scroll till we could see display tab. And now after that scroll a bit more and find navigation bar. After you found it, you'll got two options, either use buttons or gestures. So if you would like to enable gestures, just tap swipe gestures. And then you should see this line appears on the bottom of the screen. So how to use your phone now? Let me explain to you. If you would like to go back to your home page from any app, you just need to swipe up from this line quickly and we just move to the home screen. If you would like to trigger all of your recently opened apps, you need to swipe up and hold your finger at the middle. And here they are. You can swipe them up to close. Now, if you are in any app, you can swipe between those apps if you just swipe right or swipe left. So you can just switch between your recently used apps with the help of this way. To go back to the previous page, you need to swipe right or left from the edges of your phone like this. And that's it. Now let's return back in this setting, navigation bar. We can check more options here and select gesture sensitivity. So we got here lower and higher. If you are using a case, it might be difficult to do gestures at the edge of the screen. Choosing a higher sensitivity might help. And for that, you need to simply swipe right on this switcher like that. And if you sometimes do gestures unintentionally, try a lower sensitivity. For that, drag this slider left like this, and this is the lowest point, and that one is highest point. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.